Hey family. Well, I just want to have a little chit chat. I wanted to say, first and foremost, thank you so much. I know that air was a little bit too loud, so I turned it down. So I want to say thank you so much. I'm gonna have the recording playing as well, showing where I am with my watch hours present day. So I just want to say thank you for helping me get to this point. Thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate you guys more than you ever know. I'm on my way to work, so I said let me just, get two birds in one stone. I'm not gonna say that, but I'm on my way to my 9 to 5. I do YouTube and my 9 to 5 and everything else, and run a business and have children and married, and that's a lot, but we get it done, right? I'm on my way to go ship out my order. Shout out to Motivators to Soar. Thank you, DD, for your order. Y'all are just showing up and showing out. I'm so thankful. Shout out to Motivated to Soar. I'm definitely going to put you somewhere on this channel. Please go subscribe to her. Show her some love. Go check her out. She's wonderful. She has some awesome inspiration content. She'll check you out. Keep you honest, with yourself and your emotions and day to day being a YouTuber, which we need. You don't need nobody always sugarcoating and being nice and sweet. Sometimes you can be talked to crazy. Well, she don't talk to nobody crazy, but anywho, she's a lovely lady. I enjoy her content. Go subscribe to her, check out her content, like, support. She placed an order on my website for my hair growth oil. I'm gonna start promoting it a little bit more. I really have been kind of lackadaisical on it for a reason, because I'm like really busy, and if I get a lot of orders, I'm ready for it, but I'm ready for it. I'm ready for it. Let me just say that. So I was so happy to get that bing when I had an order. Oh yeah, I'm just manifesting, hearing bing, 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 Anyway, music to my ears. Thank you, Motivated to Soar. I appreciate you. Your package is on its way. I'm dropping it out to the post office as I speak. On my way before my job. I haven't passed the post office, but no, it's coming up. Anyway, back to the reason why I am creating this video. Guys, I started off with, everybody need 4,000 hours, right? Well, in January, I had hit 3,000 hours, okay? And became partially monetized. When you hit 3,000 hours and you have 500 and more subscribers, it's the gates open, but you don't get paid for AdSense and all that stuff yet. But yeah, pretty much you get members, etc., etc. That happened in January. Present day, well, there's a lag in YouTube. It's a 5-day lag. So as of 5 days ago, I have reached only needing 15 hours, guys. Ooh, we in there. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Safety first, guys. I have to pay attention to this road. I'm super. I'm so excited. It ain't even funny. I'm giggly excited. And I'm gonna go to a job. I'm in the finance sector, and it's very numbers. There's no fun in it, although I love it. That's of course why I'm doing it. But oh my gosh, I am so excited. I'm gonna be on cloud 9 all day long. Oh my God, I'm so giddy. It's been a long time coming. I've been in these YouTube streets for 6 years, and I didn't take my channel seriously up until a year ago is when I started taking my channel more seriously and started making videos, etc, etc. So I would say officially a year. So from a year to now, I'm now about to be like fully monetized. Although there's some one-hit wonders, people that get monetized within a day, 10 days, 3 months, 6 months. Yeah, but I'm more like a year girl, okay? Because, you know, after a year, your stuff falls off, your videos that you shoot. But I didn't start making videos like seriously until as of a year ago and some change. So it's about to happen. I'm excited, guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting me. It means the world to me to have your support. Don't stop watching my videos, guys. Keep watching them, because this is when it really matters. You know, once you hit your 4,000 hours, you start applying for the you know, the following steps to apply for AdSense and all that, and then you start getting paid. But you have to meet a certain threshold every month. So if nobody's watching your content, then some people get 0 checks every month, right? It's you guys are very important. You guys make a difference. It just feels so good for I'm doing what I love when I'm creating these videos, and I've been doing them for forever without being paid. So to know that I'm about to start being paid is just gratifying. I'm so thankful and grateful for this opportunity. So yeah, I just wanted to hop on here, and I'm going to show, if I haven't already while I was talking, the footage. I'm going to get into that later towards the end of the video. But I'm at the post office. Should I show y'all? Okay. I'm about to drop off my order. It's sensitive details, so I'm gonna cover that up. Yeah, I'm about to drop off my girl's order. Thank you for ordering, girl. More hair to you, my sister. More hair to you. And those of you that may want to take advantage of this opportunity, I have an actual discount code in the description of all my videos. I'm also going to include a welcome discount code for anyone who would like to try my hair growth oil out. A 10% off discount is in the description below. Also, for anyone that would like to join my channel, that's another thing, girl, we gotta talk. Join my channel. Like, join. Like, that's really supporting the channel. Like, when you have members that are committed to pay. There's different tiers. So my first tier is $3.99 a month, and then it goes up from there. Okay, it goes to $5.99, I think $7.99, and then $9.99. So whichever tier, okay, it doesn't matter. If you do the $3.99, you are like doing it. Like, I appreciate it. So that really helps support the channel. That helps me to create videos, because I love creating videos, and this it really helps when there's support in that way. I appreciate everything you guys are doing and have done. Shout out to, I don't want to start shouting out people because I don't want to leave nobody out, but everybody know who they are. My true supporters, the people that, oh my God, it's not even real how people be supporting. And thank you so much. I'm gonna have to do like a shout out one day. Y'all gotta be known. I do shout out people as we go, but I'm talking about my diehard supporters that every video, comment, blah, 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 I'll be on it. And so I'm thankful and I'm appreciative for that. And you see, I'm repeating myself and fumbling because I'm excited. I was gonna say something. Oh, join. So join my channel. I also give discounts for my members. The member discounts will be 25% off as a member. for you purchasing in my product. Currently I only have one product. It's my hair growth oil steps. Okay. I want to add a butter because I love mango butter. So I'm going to formulate some type of mango shea butter or something. I'm going to put that on my website as well, but for right now I only have one product, and that's my hair growth oil. And yeah, so if you would like to support me in that way as well, I would be thrilled. Go to my website, order. For my members, you get a 25% off discount every time you order. So join and you'll get that discount, 25% off. Anywho, everyone that does want to try my product, you do get a 10% discount, a one-time 10% welcome discount, and again, that's in my description. Anywho, that's it for now. So I'm gonna go ahead and mail this off. I'm gonna take y'all with me. Y'all wanna come with me? Okay, let's see. We're gonna go mail off. Well, I don't have to do nothing extringent, but oh, it's misting outside. Dee, your order is on its way, girlie. I was about to say, I know I have my key. Okay, this is like I need to check my PO box while I'm in here. Multitasking. Women, we multitask. We know how to multitask, don't we? We get things done. For real. Okay. So, this is when I need my, hold on, how do I turn this around? Maybe not. This is when I need my, what you call it? Morning. Good, how you doing? How y'all doing? Good. So, let me see. Okay, motivated to soar. I'm going to show you. Okay, motivated to soar. It's on its way. See it go. There we go. You will get. Okay, so you will get your confirmation email. Well, you should have already received your confirmation email that your order is being created. But now you should receive a confirmation email that it has been shipped, and you get your tracking number and an estimated time of delivery. Yay! Okay, guys, that's it for now. Off to my 9 to 5 I go. Appreciate y'all. Peace. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Construction going on. Thank you guys for supporting my small business. Thank you, Dee, for supporting my small business. I'm excited about what's to come in the future on it. And yeah, see y'all later. See you in the next slide. Okay, so let's get into my YouTube studio. At the beginning of January, towards the middle actually of January, I met my 3,000 hour goal. Okay, so towards the end of January, I was at 3,078 hours. And of course, the key was to get down real quick from starting from the 1,000 to work those watch hours to get to 4,000, right? So as you can see, I screenshot YouTube Studio, did my calculations on what I had left, y'all. And this is what I have for you. I am so grateful. God is amazing. I started off needing 1,000 hours. to get to 4,000, and that was in January, and it is now April actually now, and I'm almost there, guys. As you can see on my little recording here, I have got down to meeting only 15 hours, y'all. And that's as of 5 days ago. So I'm pretty much in there. Thanks to y'all. I love you guys for everything. So I currently, as of 5 days ago, I had 3,985 watch hours, y'all. I'm just in awe at this point. I'm very thankful and grateful. Thank you all for supporting me. And the best is yet to come. I keep saying that. That's my goal for the year. That's my saying for the year, right? The best is yet to come. That's my affirmation, actually. And the best is yet to come. It keeps happening. So I'm forever grateful for you all. Thank you so much for helping me get to the 4,000 watch hours. Woohoo! I'm gonna have to come up with some type of celebration. Maybe we'll do a celebration live. I don't know. I know that I'm going to do a giveaway once I reach 2,000 subscribers. There will be a giveaway. I have not thought about what the giveaway will be. Drop down in the comments if you guys have any ideas on what the giveaway should be. I know money, cash is always nobody gonna turn out no money, right? So I don't know if I'm gonna give away money, gift card, or something to think about. Cash App. Most people have Cash App, so the winner can get a Cash App. I'm not sure of the amount at this point, but we'll see. We have time to look it through. Well, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one. Peace. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.